Good morning, grade 4. So this is your first home learning lesson. I hope you're all well. So what I would like for you all to do is open Sunday. You'll have Sunday open up for you now. So please go to Sunday. Now, as you can see here, I have Sunday open. This is the plan you're going to follow day by day. We are going to post it day by day here. Sunday, you're going to start with Arabic, 9 until 10, and then you have English. You have math, 10:15 until 11:15. So you have a 15-minute break between each subject. Now, let's look here. Math. Task 1. First thing you're going to do is watch a video here. Let's review lines, type of lines, and what are line segments. After you're done reviewing the video, you are going to open the PowerPoint. You see here, Math PowerPoint. You're going to open the PowerPoint, Lesson 1. It's opening now. Okay, you're going to open the PowerPoint, Lesson 1. So here, I would like you to start with the lesson. Now, when you're done with math, you will take a 15-minute break and start with science. And then same thing with science. I have a video here, and then let's watch and take notes. You are going to see a video of me explaining each lesson. So you can watch a video explaining the lesson, and then when you're done with science, you're gonna have a 15-minute break, and then English, and then specials. Have fun!